The Seabed Minerals Authority, located in central Avarua on the island of Rarotonga, is the independent regulator of seabed mineral activities under the Cook Islands jurisdiction.
Rarotonga is on top of one of many seamounts that make up the Cook Islands, and it is part of the southern group of islands. As we move along the seafloor, the stripes of more detail show the abyssal hills that are thought to comprise most of the seafloor in our EEZ. To the northwest of the southern group lie the main nodule fields in the Cook Islands. Further to the northwest again lies the Manihiki Plateau and the northern group of islands.
Our exclusive economic zone, or EEZ, is the red outline and covers approximately 1.9 million squared kilometers. The green circles around each of the 15 islands represents the marine protected areas established under Marae Moana Act. Under the Act, no commercial activities can take place within these areas. Commercial fisheries are located mostly in the north.
The gray shaded area is approximately 700,000 square kilometers and shows where cobalt nodules are found. These colored outlines reflect the 3 exploration license areas. They cover approximately 250,000 square kilometers, or 13% of the EEZ. Exploration research will take place in these areas over the next 5 years, with a strong focus on environmental baseline studies. Should mineral harvesting activities proceed, this will take place over a much smaller area.
License holders will work on their licensed areas using special purpose workboats and deploy research equipment to conduct surveys. On screen is an example of what an advanced exploration operation could look like. The device at the bottom is a trial collector used to pick up nodules with minimal impacts. These activities occur in depths of about 4,000 to 6,000 meters. In comparison, most fishing takes place within the top 400 meters.
Thank you for watching this short animation. If you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact us. Kia ora and kia manuia.